Hello and welcome to another episode of Nutmeg Notes by Tejali. Today I'm sharing a Maharashtrian dry chutney recipe which is called Thecha. Generally speaking, this chutney has garlic, green chilies and salt. However, today we are making raw mango thecha. So along with the basic ingredients, I'm going to add some more to balance the taste. This is well liked by family and friends and it's always there in my kitchen. So let's get started. For now we are back and now let's look through the ingredients. The light in my kitchen is a little less than outside, but I needed to fry this and which is why I come here, so just bear with me. Now I'm just going to show you the ingredients that we need for this particular dish. So this is a container used in India, which we generally call it katori. So we eat our dal and yogurt and vegetables and all of that in this particular container. This is about 100 grams in measurement. Cooked food is 100 grams. So whatever I will be telling you, you can eyeball it accordingly. Most of the times this chutney is not made with measured ingredients, it's just eyeballing, and most of the times people just add more of those ingredients that they like to eat. And as I said, thecha is generally a very spicy chili paste, so it's up to you which sort of chili you want to add. Maybe you can add one katori or one measurement of the very spicy variety and then balance it with the less spicy. So in my household, my kids also like to eat this, so I don't use spicy chili, I just use the regular one because the flavor of green chili is really important in this recipe, so use your discretion. I'm using 2 katoris of green chilies, so I've washed them, then I dried them and I chopped them into small pieces, and then I have 1 katori of garlic. This is also peeled, washed and chopped. I have 1 katori of coriander leaves. So this combination of green chili, garlic, coriander and salt is simply amazing. So if you don't want to add any of the other ingredients, that's fine. If you do not like sweet in your chutneys, you can just leave the jaggery out. That's totally fine because the original recipe does not have any sweet in it. But the balancing of flavors in my recipe tastes really good, so I suggest that you try it once. So back to the ingredients. So we have green chilies, 2 parts. We have garlic, 1 part, and coriander, 1 part. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. I have roasted them, then I have peeled the skin, and I'm not going to crush it right now. So the pounding we will be doing when we mix all the ingredients. So I have got 2 tablespoons and I have 1 wadi of raw mango. Now it's if you're adding raw mango and if it is really sour, then I think you need to balance it out with a little bit of jaggery, but otherwise I don't think it's going to taste good. So if you don't want to add raw mango, that is also fine. You can add a little bit of lemon, and this recipe just with these ingredients works really well. So it is green chilies, 2 parts, 1 part of garlic, 1 part of coriander, then we have peanuts and salt. That's all. But I'm adding raw mango, and I'm going to add some jaggery in this, and then of course salt. So let's get started. So to make a good thecha, all you need to do is fry these ingredients once you reach when all of these ingredients reach that point, then you turn the gas off. If you're not using raw mango in the recipe, so but if you are using raw mango, in that case, you fry these till they are crispy and golden brown. After that, you add the mango, and you fry the mango till all the water or the moisture is removed, and then you add salt and jaggery, and then you grind either in a mixie, just pulse it, because this is a coarse paste. It's not like a smooth chutney as such, or you can hand pound it. This tastes really good if it's hand pounded. And actually some people don't even chop this that much. I do it because then the pounding becomes really easy. So now let's start frying. Pan to roast it, because it really tastes good in an iron pan. This is the heavy variety. I've got this from India. It's really thick. See, I'm sure it's easily available in India. I have bought it all the way from India. So this sort of frying of chili and garlic and all of these coriander, it really gives a fantastic flavor in an iron vessel, in a pan like this. So now let's fry all the ingredients. So I'm frying the garlic, green chili and coriander in 2 tablespoons of oil at the moment. That my garlic, my green chili and my coriander is crispy and golden brown, I'm going to add my raw mango to this. Raw mango has some moisture in it. I'm going to fry it till the moisture goes away and the mixture becomes a little dry. When it is dry, I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery and salt, and then let it cool down. So my mixture is cooling down at the moment. After it cools down completely, you can either pound it with a mortar and a pestle if you wish to do that. And originally, that is how this chutney is pounded, and it is slightly coarse and slightly like a paste, and that is the beauty of this dish. However, if you don't want to waste time on a mortar and a pestle, you can also put it into the mixie and just pulse it 2 times or 3 times, so it is like a coarse paste, and to eat it with your bhakri or your chapati, your rice, and it's a wonderful condiment. And now our thecha is ready. So it's a dry chutney which tastes really good with the gluten-free Indian flatbread, which is called Bhakri. It also goes well with basic chapati or rice as well. It's quite a versatile condiment to have, so do give it a try, and post pictures under this video. Also please like, follow and subscribe to our Nutmeg Notes YouTube channel. See you next Friday. Bye-bye.